In this tutorial, we're going to talk about tuples in Python. Tuples are kind of like lists. We use them to store a sequence of objects, but tuples are immutable, which means we cannot change them once we create them. Let me show you. So I'm going to start by defining a list of numbers, 1, 2, 3. Now we use square brackets to define a list and parentheses to define a tuple. So now this numbers variable is storing a tuple. If we try to reassign, let's say the first element, we're going to get an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So this is what I meant by tuples are immutable. They're unchangeable. Also, if we type numbers dot, you don't see any methods like append, insert, remove, and so on. We only have count and index. Count returns the number of occurrences of an element. For example, if we have, let's say, 2 3s in this tuple and call count of 3, this will return 2. The other method we have here is index, and this returns the index of the first occurrence of the given element. Now, these other methods you see here that start with an underscore, they're called magic methods. It's an advanced topic, and I've covered it in detail in my complete Python programming course. If you're interested, the link is down below this video. So, tuples are immutable. We cannot change them once we create them. Now, practically speaking, most of the time you would be using lists, but there are times that once you create a list of objects, you want to make sure that somewhere in your program, you or someone else is not going to accidentally modify that list. If that's the case, then you should use a tuple.